Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Dr. Nurul Hidayah from FSKTM, UTHM. So today I'm recording this video to explain to you about 101 Reference Manager Basic Skills. So why do I call it 101 Reference Manager Basic Skills? Okay, because it is some basic skills you need to know before you start your FYP, okay, the final year project, or most of you call it PSM. And this is also useful for those who are beginner in research world, okay, for example, first year students of masters in research and PhD. Okay, so let us start. Okay, for the reference manager tool, I choose Mendeley. Mendeley is a free open source tool, and it is one of the popular tools that's being using by most researchers around the world. Okay, so today I'm going to show you basic skills about Mendeley desktop, okay, how to add or import files, sync file, okay, keyword search, Microsoft Word plugin, and also edit reference information. Okay, and you will know why edit reference information is important. Okay, so first step, you need to open your web browser. Okay, and you can simply type Mendeley. Okay, here. Okay, you can click here, alright, or you can simply type www.mendeley.com, right? Then you can go to Mendeley site. Okay, so these are the home page for Mendeley. So first you need to download, right? Just click download here. So you can choose the suitable Mendeley version, okay? These are the version for Windows, Mac OS, and also Linux. So it's up to you. You choose which one is suitable for your machine. Okay. Then it is like a common download. Alright, you download the file. You got the installer, and you can do a simple installation. Okay. I'm not going to show you the step-by-step of installation. I believe most of you as IT students know how to install. Okay. After you install, actually, you will have a Mendeley desktop here. Okay, these are the icon for a Mendeley desktop. Okay, so you can simply open. Okay, so this is the interface of your Mendeley. I'm gonna close all this notification. Right. Okay, so here, okay, so this is the menu. Okay, it's like a common other, what we call common menu. Okay, we have the file here, add files, add folder, edit, view, tools, right, and so forth. Okay, now the first step, I would recommend you to create folders. Okay, in my case, I created folders that is related to the theme of my journal articles. Okay, as you can see here, I have folders for attack tree experiment, cloud storage, forensic model, health belief, and so on. Okay, so next time when you find articles, you just need to save into the particular folder. Why? Because it can make your later search easier. So how to create a folder? Simple. Okay, you go to my library, click my library here. Alright, right click, and you can choose new folder. Right. Okay, now how to insert your journal article into your particular folder. Okay, let's say I choose here cloud storage. I click into the cloud storage. There are two ways for you to add articles. Okay, first you can use the button here. You can click add. Okay, and you can go to the particular folder, right? And as usual, click open. Or another way, you can simply drag and drop. Right. For example here, let's say I want to drag acquisition of digital evidence file. Right. Just drag and drop here. Okay. So let us scroll down. Where was the file? Here. Okay. So this is the file that I recently drag and drop, acquisition of digital evidence in Android smartphone. So it appears here. Okay. Okay, this is the details for the particular file. Okay. Now let us check if this detail is correct or not. Okay, now let's open the file. Okay, so these are the files. Now let us see, is this a what is the type of this article? As you can see here, this is actually an article from a conference. Okay, so here you can edit. You can go to conference proceedings. Okay. How about the title? Is the title correct? Acquisition of digital evidence in Android smartphones. Yes, the title is correct, but I think I would like to correct this A. Okay. Then look at the author's name. See, if you can see, there are only 2 authors, but originally we have 4 authors. So what we are going to do, we just can add. Okay, the first author is correct, second author is correct. Now let's add the third author. We must start with the last name. Okay, so here, enter. Then the fourth author, last name will be file. Alright. Now the proceeding title. The proceeding title is Australian Digital Forensics Conference. Okay, let's see the pages. So it starts with 116 until 1 to 4. Okay, 6 until 1 to 4. Right. Now we've done in editing the info. Okay, then you can click details are correct. So this is important for later use in your citation. Okay, now let's look how it works with Microsoft Word. Okay. So let's say these are the paper or the thesis that you are working on. Okay. Now, in your Microsoft Word, how to check for Mendeley? Okay, you can go to tab References. As you can see here, the Mendeley has been plugged in. After you install, the Mendeley will be plugged in into Microsoft Word. Okay, so these are the section for Mendeley. Okay, you can see here the insert citation, insert bibliography, refresh, and so forth. I will show you the function. Okay, now first, the style. Now you need to think, what are the style that you want to use? Okay, let's say you want to use IEEE. Okay, this is the APA. And more styles if you want to find other styles. Okay, so you can choose here. You can choose the installed styles. Right, for example, Harvard. Okay, right. So let's back into our Microsoft Word. I choose IEEE for this paper. Okay, now let's say you want to add the citation. Okay, so for example, I want to add here. I want to add the article, our recent added article. Okay. So click Insert Citation. Now, how to search? This is the best thing about Mendeley. You can search by author. You can search by title or year or actually using some keywords. Let me show you. Android forensic. Okay. Android forensics. So you need to scroll down, find the correct one. Oh, sorry, I think the keyword will be acquisition of digital evidence. Okay, so let's have a look. Yep, here. This is the file that we were recently added. We've just recently added this one. So you can simply click here. Okay. If you want to add for other references, you also can add, right? And click OK. So simple. Right. Besides using keywords or title, you also can use the author's name. The author's name, yep, here. Okay, same thing, right? So click Add, click OK. So simple, right? Okay, another thing that I want to show you, this is IEEE references. Okay, let's say for APA, I change to APA. Okay, right, here you go, it is automatically changed. Okay, another thing that when we use APA or Harvard, okay, we want to the citation to display only the year, not the author's name. So how we do it? Okay, simple. You need to click on the citation, right? You click here, edit citation. Go to the author's name. You can simply tick suppress author. Click OK. Then you will see it only displays the year. So that's how we do on how to display only the year. This is another example, right? At this paragraph, okay, integrated incident handling and digital forensic model of Abi Rahman and Chu. In this case, we want to only display the year. Okay, so I'll show you again. Go to edit citation, click on the author's name, click suppress author. Alright, easy. Okay, now let us change to IEEE back. Okay, next. Mendeley has make your work easier in arranging citation and so forth. So now, how about when you want to insert the references? Easy. Okay, again, it's easy. Go to insert bibliography, click. Here you go. All the references that you are cited at the above will display.